Okay, this is the one, this is the trophy. But I won't be able to get it. Oh my gosh. Boom, 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 boom. I got it! Oh my gosh, I got it! Yes, finally. I can get now the... Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I got it. Yes. Now I can go get the trophy, the sports car. I don't know why didn't I drive all the way over here. I had my truck over there. I think I was too excited. Okay, to get the key I need to go here. I think, where is it? Right here. And I got the key. Basically, all we gotta do is fish to get that key. Whenever we see that fish that goes up and down like really fast, like stays down and then go up and down, that's the one we gotta catch. Then you get the car that you have in your Fortnite. Now I have to go sell this. I don't want to sell right now. That's okay. So yeah, basically that's how you get the key to get the sports car.